Not every issue in a rental property feels urgent, but not every urgent issue is an emergency. This is one of the most common sources of frustration between tenants and landlords, and it usually comes down to unclear expectations rather than bad intentions. Understanding the difference between emergency and non-emergency maintenance helps everyone involved respond more calmly and more effectively. Emergency maintenance refers to issues that pose a risk to safety, health, or the property itself. Examples include having no heating or hot water, electrical hazards, major water leaks or flooding, gas smells, fire risks, structural damage that affects safety, or a loss of property security, such as a broken external door or window. A simple rule of thumb is this: if someone's safety could be at risk, the issue should be treated as an emergency. Many maintenance issues are important, but don't require immediate or out-of-hours attention. These include appliance breakdowns, minor leaks that can be contained, cosmetic damage, internet or television issues, and general wear and tear. Non-emergency does not mean unimportant. It simply means the issue can be handled during normal working hours. When everything is treated as an emergency, real emergencies can be delayed. Clear categorisation helps tenants get faster responses when it truly matters, reduces unnecessary call-outs, lowers costs, and prevents avoidable disputes. In practice, tenants decide when to report an issue. Landlords or agents then assess the situation and confirm the appropriate response. Problems usually arise when decisions rely on judgment alone instead of shared guidelines. Well-run properties provide clear written guidance, use a single reporting channel, request clear descriptions and photos, and keep a consistent record of issues and responses. Good systems remove ambiguity before problems arise. Maintenance processes aren't about control. They exist to make sure the right problems get the right response at the right time. Clear expectations lead to calmer communication, faster resolutions, and a better experience for everyone involved.